Okay, so let's have a look at the second part of the bank account for McGuigan 2023 paper. So it says a cheque for 6,300 received from a debtor has been entered in the books cash and ledger as 5,700. So we've entered it in our cash book as in our bank, and we've entered it in our ledger as in our debtor's ledger as 5,700. But they gave us 3,600. So we need to find the difference between the two of them. And because these are debtors have paid more than we've actually recorded. So we need to reduce our debtors by that figure. And then our bank overdraft then is going to reduce as well because we've received more money than we've actually recorded. So the cheque that the debtors wrote to us or kind of paid us was 6,300, but in our books we only record 5,700. So the difference between those two is 600. So we've got 6,300, take away 5,700. So that's going to give us 600. So the debtors actually paid us an extra 600. So we're going to go to our debtors adjustment, which is here. We have an adjustment done already from the first part of the bank. So make sure you use the up-to-date figure of 82,150. Then we got this cheque of 600. They've paid us an extra 600, so we need to reduce our debtors. And we'll get a new figure of 81,550. That's going to go into your balance sheet as a current asset. And then we go down to our bank then. So our bank overdraft, we would have received an extra 600. So then we need to reduce our bank overdraft by 600. So remember, we have a figure already from the first part, 81,500. We need to take away the 600 because we received an extra 600. So it's reducing our bank overdraft. So we'll get 80,900. That's going to go into your balance sheet in your creditors due within 1 year. So the cheque, we need to reduce our debtors because they paid us an extra 600. We need to reduce our bank because we received more money than we actually accounted for. The last one then, it says not being presented. So if a cheque has not been presented, no money has gone in or gone out of our bank account. So we don't do anything with it. We just leave it the way it is, and we use this 80,900 for a bank figure in our balance sheet as part of your current liabilities. So that's the bank adjustment done for 2022 McGuigan manufacturing account question.